Shadi will sleep under the table. Some fish sauce. Sawadee my lovely follower. Welcome to my channel. I'm Sai and today I'm going to show you how to make Thai Tom Yum fish. Very easy, a few ingredients. You can do this one at home. And here is what you need. I got tilapia fish, I got salt, I got coriander, and I got onion, spring onion. I got lemongrass, lime, and ginger, and kaffir lime leaf. Now these three herbs is Tom Yum herb. All you need, the most important ingredient to make Tom Yum have that beautiful aroma is these three. And tomatoes. Don't forget the fish sauce and water. Let's get started, shall we? Before we go prepping the fish, boil the water, I'm going to wash these vegetables first. But first, can you give a compliment on how red that fish gum is? What you call this one? We call like fish gum, where the fish used to breathe. Can you teach me what this one called in English? In Thai, we call this one ngược. And when you got a fresh fish, you know when this one is red, you know that's fresh fish, and that make me very happy to get a fresh fish for Tom Yum fish today. Alright, let's get started on cleaning the vegetables. I got water, I got vegetables and fruit wash. This one help kill all the parasite and the dirt. Or you can just use baking soda or vinegar even. We soak this one for 10 to 15 minutes before we and after that we're gonna prep the fish. Start on cleaning the fish with some salt. Rub it to get rid of all that slimy, because this is what make the soup cloudy. The slimy fish make the soup cloudy. People like fish, right? The taste of it, but not everybody like the fishiness smell. You can feel it as you scrub the salt in. You can feel like that the slimy is gone. Now we're gonna rinse that. Okay, we got our fish clean. Now we're gonna cut it. You just cut this one off too. Actually, I'm gonna cut the gum off too. Big should I cut this fish? When you cut the fish, I mean, most of you guys must know because a lot of people watching me is adult. But when you wash, just in case if some kid watching, when you cut the fish, be careful, it's very slimy. So you want to slide it first. This is my technique. I don't know if anyone do this like me. And then when you hit the bone, you press it. And then when you hit the bone again, press it. Or if you have that knife, like a big knife, just like, pow. So, all right, one done. We do this one. This one, I put in my bin, but I don't know what that means in English. Right there. And when we have leftover, we just put it here. There. And when you have some leaf, dried leaf, you put it in there, and that's like help make this plant, banana plant, and this one, and this is my new coconut tree grow. All right, Sprinkle more salt. I'm gonna use the hose. Clean the fish. Clean all the blood out. The blood gonna make the soup cloudy. You wanna make the soup as clear as possible. The fish is clear, but I need to cut one banana leaf to protect the fish from the fly. Don't forget to wash the banana leaf too. Yep. The fish is in here. The vegetables is in here. We're gonna heat the water up first. Add water. Now the water you want to be smooth for the fish. For me, I like a lot of water because I like to have the soup. Get started on cutting the vegetable. These two herbs first. Galang gal, you need to smash it. Shadi will sleep under the table. Cut it. Glass. Actually, you put this herb now. Sprinkle some salt. Slowly. You boil in a medium heat. I love to suck the fish head. That's where the fish head is super creamy with the brain and everything. And don't cover with the lid. Just leave it open. Medium low, yeah, medium low. Let's cut some vegetable, waiting for it to be like ready. Kaffir lime leaf. I have told you in many of my cooking videos that when you cut when you get the kaffir lime leaf, tear it. Don't put it whole. Like this. Fold it in half. Easy way is you need to have the dark green, light green. Put the light green towel to your face and pull it to you like that. Like this. Like that. This way, the kaffir lime will release more aroma. Just gonna get like a few lime. And tomatoes. Tomato I just cut into 4. And then coriander. Keep the root. The root can make other soup. You can make plain soup, which we call tom ji. That one is very good for stomach, very good for breakfast, or when you cook the rice, when you make a poached rice, put some of this on. So good. Onion. Spring onion, I keep saying onion. Thai food, when we make the soup, any bubbles that floating on top of our soup, we scoop that out. Fish look like it's almost cooked. I'm gonna add the tomato because I like my tomatoes cooked very good, like until the skin is come off. If you like this to be a little bit crispy, you can add that one. later. A little bit. The caffeine lime beet now. Some fish sauce. Let me do the taste test. I mean the taste first. If we need to put anything else. Alright. We got a little bit of balanced umami right there. Just a pinch of salt. We sprinkle with some coriander and onion, and then the spring onion. Turn the heat off. You may wondering when you're gonna put the lime. Now, turn the heat off and you can put the lime in. And this is when you put lime. When you're gonna serve. And that's it. You got tom yum fish. Let's do the taste test. Oh wow, that's so good. Let's try the fish. When the fish is fresh, it's so sweet. The meat is so bouncy. You guys need to try this recipe on. Serve with some rice. When you have guests coming over, don't forget to make this. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this basic tom yum soup. Ever this video is very relaxed, very chill. I hope you enjoy this one. And until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.